Sa Sir Froy, we're almost over with our celebration, but of course, our band and the party is still waiting. This time, we will be witnessing the turnover ceremony of batch 1998 to our host batch next year, which is batch 1999. Requesting the two batches to please come up on stage.
So we will not end this celebration unless we will witness the formal turnover. So calling again batch
1998 and 1999.
Nakaginhawa na dyan mo. Okay, diri lang. Tunga-tunga lang ta, tunga-tunga. Because the next batch will be here. Batch 1999. 90 ang mo receive. Okay, requesting batch 98, dinil mo sa other side. Kaya you will be formally turning over the key to the batch 1999. Diri mo sa other half. Okay, please, forward. Okay, diri ang president.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Batch 1998, it has been an honor and a privilege to organize and host this grand alumni homecoming. This event is a testament to the enduring spirit of the Iligan City National High School, and it's through everyone's support that it's been such a success. As our time as host concludes, it is with great pride and confidence that we pass on the key of responsibility to Sir Japhet Ernie Onke, the representative for Batch 1999, the next host batch. This symbolic key signifies the trust, dedication, and commitment that defined our alumni community. This represents the passing of leadership and the continuity of our shared mission to strengthen the bond among us and give back to Iligan City National High School. We trust that you will carry forward the tradition of excellence and create an even more memorable event for the next Grand Alumni Homecoming.
Our heartfelt gratitude to the host batch 1998, for showcasing your incredible leadership skills and teamwork that made this fun-filled and memorable hosting tonight. We know your hard work and sacrifices just to make this event a success. With this, ato silang palakpakan! Okay, on behalf of our batch 1999, your host for the next year grand reunion, we are truly honored to accept this key of responsibility. Bugat yun nga yabi. Matulog na daw sila. Okay, you all deserve nga matulog na gyud mo. I know your hard work and sacrifices, guys, and congratulations. This key represents not only a responsibility, but also a privilege to serve our alumni community and uphold the legacy of Iligan City National High School. Together with my batchmates, we are committed to making the next Grand Alumni Homecoming an event to remember, one that continues to celebrate our shared memories and achievements. Again, our congratulations to Batch 98, and we are looking forward that we will have all your support in the next year's Grand Alumni. Daghang salamat ug mabuhay ang Iligan City National High School! See you, see you!
Once again, thank you very much, Batch 1998, and good luck for Batch 1999. All right, once again, good luck, Batch 1999.
Yes, ang nakita sa picture sa 99, mag-donate na sila og prize sa next year. So kung nakita mo, pa-prepare na mo daan og mga mga motor og sakyanan.
Brand new car.
Yes. House and lot og ang Tita Fanny's nga stockholder. No na mo ikuha na to share. All right.